Doing leak detection's all wrong.
This is the slab leak, a typical slab leak. Water's coming in from underground. We take that roof off the house so you can see we just have a slab and what's going on underneath it. This is what we have as far as shutoffs to listen to. So we have valves, we have everything that's exposed, and when everything stubs up, we're going to touch it and listen to it. But first we're going to come over and we're going to babysit the meter. If we have it running with nothing running in the house, that means we have a leak. Next thing we're going to do is see if we have a shutoff in the house. If we do, we're going to shut that down. If it stops, the leak is under the house. But if it's still running, then we're going to determine that that leak is between A, the meter, and B, the shutoff, which is going to be the distance in between. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to open that valve back up. It's very important. Otherwise, you're going to be listening for a leak that doesn't exist. Now that it's leaking again, we're going to walk the outside perimeter of the property, allowing us to touch any stub-ups and see. Then we're going to hug the house, staying on the exterior. We're going to be touching anything that we could see, and then we're going to go in the house, and we're always going to stay right. Pattern is everything. You won't miss anything that way. When we're walking the house, we're touching stub-ups, we're touching valves, we're touching everything under. When we do hear a leak, what we're going to do is we're going to hit it with water and air. So there's water in there, and then we're going to hit it with the air from the pressure rig. And what that's going to do is that's going to create a very distinct boil. The boil is something we're going to pick up with the deck plate, as you could see here. There's saturation, air coming out of the pipe, and we're listening with the deck plate to that specific boil and putting us over the leak every time.
To purchase our plumber's kit, go to Leaktronics.com and always check out our YouTube channel.